B.E.A. family, coming at y'all today for an unboxing video. Just got a brand new wallet. I'm very excited for it. I know it's kind of corny, you get excited for a wallet, but I do get excited for stuff like this. Stealth mode, brand, wallet, first time ever purchasing it. This company, first time using them. A lot of good reviews off of Amazon. I will put the link below in the description so you guys can look for yourself. What I wanted in a wallet as I'm opening it, just to let y'all know, is extra capacity. I have a lot of credit cards, a lot of debit cards, a lot of casino cards, a lot of, anything that you need in your wallet. This hopefully will be able to store it because it's extra capacity. If I'm not mistaken, I think there's 12 credit card slots in here. And we shall see. So, as soon as you open it, they give you a little message here that basically tells you you're covered because you've gone in stealth mode, which means that they protect you. There's a RFID blocking lining in your new stealth mode wallet. It helps block malicious attempts to get your information from chip-enabled cards, basically. They can get numbers or credit card information if you don't have this certain RFID blocking lining that a lot of wallets are coming with. So that's pretty damn important because technology is growing and hackers are getting smarter due to technology growing. So it's definitely something to take into consideration. So I love the pouch, first things first. I should be showing you that. It came in like a plastic pouch as the box. I don't know why, I just think that's extra, but in a good way, right? That means that, it's pretty good quality. It comes in a plastic on top of the pouch, on top of in the box. This company kind of knows what they're doing when they're securing their product and trying to take good care so that it gets shipped properly. One thing I'll tell you right away that I really do love about the wallet is that it's slim. It's extra capacity, but I feel it very slim. As my other wallet, I don't have it out here right now to show you, is a lot thicker than this, but it's extra capacity as well, the other wallet I have. Here we go. I got the dark brown color. They have other colors as well that you can choose from. I'll open it for you. All right. So ID patch here, credit cards here, side secret pocket here, as you can see. Boom. Oh, it's first things first. Before I show y'all anything else, this smells amazing. I don't know if y'all like the smell of leather, but this really does smell amazing. And I can't get over how thin and slim it is to hold. This feels really, really good, guys. I'm gonna try not to load it up as I do with all my with all my wallets. I'm gonna try not to, overdo it. I'm just gonna put 1 or 2 cards in each slot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 slots. 13 credit card slots. And 2, it's a, I guess they call it a bifold, I guess. You could put your money in 2 different compartments here. I can't wait to use this. The leather smells amazing. I know that sounds weird, but I like the smell of genuine leather, folks. And it's got a little bit of such a comfortable feel, actually. You feel the leather for sure. I like the icon, too, the mountain stealth mode. All right, so there's your review for this, guys. Highly recommend. I'll put the link in the description. Extra capacity, 13 credit card slots, 2 compartments for that moolah. Very good quality wallet here. I think I got this for $28, $30 maybe. Right around $30 in that range. Highly recommend you to check it out. So give it a shot. Believe, Excel, Achieve. Peace.